Thank you, beautiful people. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you, viewers. I remain my humble self, Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's mathematics class, we shall be taking Olympiad Mathematics Question. And in the question, we are given that if a to the power 2 divided by b to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 divided by a to the power 2, everything is equal to 14. Then we are asked to find the linear form of it, which is a over b plus b over a. We are asked to find what it should be. The difference between what we are asked to find and what we are given is that what we are asked to find is linear. It is not raised to power 2. And what we are given is quadratic, that is, it is to power 2. Alright? Then, to dive into this question, remember to watch the video to the end and share my videos to your co-learners. Meanwhile, if it is your first time of stopping by, kindly subscribe to my channel. From the knowledge of sum of squares, if I have this x to the power 2 plus y to the power 2, I want you to know that this, I can get it from sum of squares. What does it mean? If I have x plus y all squared, from the expansion of this, I can get this. Meaning, if I'm able to expand this and get this, I can simply come and expand this, that is square this, because I know it will give me exactly what they have. How? If I want to expand this, what I will get? X squared. Okay? Then plus y squared. Okay? I am expanding it. Then next, I multiply the two times and multiply by 2. That is x times y is xy times 2. Will now give me 2xy. Now look at this. You can see, from expanding my x plus y squared, I am able to get x squared plus y squared, which is this. Therefore, I can apply this knowledge to this question, because if I square this, I should be able to get what the question has for me. Alright, if I can expand this and get this, which is x squared plus y squared, from the expansion of this, I am able to get it. Therefore, I can now come here and say a all over b plus b all over a. I will still square it with the hope that I will get a squared b squared. Let's go. From the same approach I used in expanding this bracket, I will do the same thing here. And what did I do? I squared the first term. So here, I will square the first term, which is a over b squared. Next, I square the second term. What I will do here is simply plus b all over a squared. Next, what I did here was, please, this is xy, please. I beg your pardon. What I did here was to multiply the 2 times inside the bracket and then multiply it by 2. And I said, x times y will give me xy, then times 2 will not give me 2xy. Alright? That place should be 2xy, not just 2x. Beautiful. Therefore, this place now is going to be plus, then I will now do a over b times a over b times b over a, then times 2. That means I shall be having 2 multiplied by a, okay, 2 multiplied by a over b multiplied by b over a. How? The 2 terms multiply itself and then multiply by 2. X times y, then times 2. X times y times 2 will now give me 2xy. So, a over b times b over a, then times 2. A over b times b over a, then times 2. That is what I have. And that implies that I shall now have there, if I work on this, from the law of indices, that x over y all squared is the same thing as x squared all over y squared. So I can apply it here to have a squared all over b squared, then plus b squared all over a squared. I'm just opening the brackets here. Then looking at this, it is multiplication. Okay, I have B at the denominator, I have B at the numerator. I also have A at the denominator, I have A at the numerator. What it means is that I will now be having 1 multiplied by 2, which will now give me just plus 2. That the whole of this is equal to what I have by the left hand side. It is, now looking at it, we have reached that place that is of our most interest. And where is that? To get exactly what they have. Look at what they have. A to the power 2, B to the power 2 divided by B to the power 2 plus B to the power 2 divided by A to the power 2. That is what they have. And that is what we have here. Now, agree with me that from here now, if I like, I will say it is equal to 14. And that is what I will do, not just if I like. Alright. Therefore, breaking down this, I will now have A all over B, then plus B all over A, all squared. It's now equal to, I will now replace the whole of this, since they say that it is equal to 14. I will make it equal to 14, and I will not be breaking any law of mathematics. And that means I shall be having 14 plus 2. I think this math is solved. Looking at it, the whole problem is solved. Therefore, we shall now have, from here, I will have that A over B plus B over A all to the power 2 is equal to 16. What then is left? I am asked to find this. If I remove these 2 here, then my mass is complete because this is without power 2. Therefore, to remove it, I just do what? Take square root of both sides. And remember that the square root of x squared is simply equal to x raised to the power 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, which will simply give us x. That implies that the square root of b squared is equal to b. Okay? That means that the square root of p squared is equal to p. Therefore, if I take the square root of the left hand side, what I will have exactly is what is inside the bracket. And that means that the square root of the left hand side will simply give me a all over b, then plus b all over a, and the square root of 16 will give me plus or minus, of course, square root of 16, okay, which is now a over b plus b over a is equal to plus or minus 4. What else is left? That from the question that we are given, our answer finally is negative or positive 4. So the answer here in the question that we are asked is 4. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Share my videos.
Na mbụ agwara m mmadụ sị